Right, strawberry season's well underway. Anyone who's been following, you'll have seen that I had lots of strawberries in the greenhouse. We potted these up in the autumn. These were last year's cuttings, which had made a good root in a 1 litre pot. These two plants have been on the patio outside. We've had some scorching hot sunshine and they did dry out at one point. As you see, I had a bit of leaf burn, but that doesn't really matter because you can see the fruit still coming through on the bottom here. Plenty of fruit. You can see where they've been burnt, but there's loads and loads of fruit on these. They're looking very nice. These are following on from the indoor ones that I had, which are almost finished flowering. Well, they are finished flowering now, but if you take a look here, they're starting to produce their runners. And I'm going to show you exactly how to take cuttings. But before we do, these are the field strawberries, which you would normally buy from the supermarket that would be grown in a field. I can't remember the name of this particular variety because I bought 4 commercial varieties about 5 or 6 years ago, and I've just been taking cuttings every year since then. I picked the 2 most prolific and I've grown from those ever since. But I will show you something here. This is the one called Toscana. I've actually planted 3 plants in here, and these are actually grown from seed. I grew these from seed in the early stages. These are perpetual and these will flower through until Christmas. You can see they're in full flower. They also have a beautiful pink flower, so they make a very nice basket. It's an attractive looking basket, and I have had fruit off these. The children have been coming in picking fruit. As you can see, there's some ripe fruit on here, ripe fruit up here. It is slightly smaller, but it's very sweet. It's really nice to eat. I'll give it a taste and tell you what it tastes like. Beautiful, really juicy, lovely. Right, we've got lots of flower on here. We're going to get lots of fruit, as you can see. We have picked a few fruit off, but they're all the way around. As we see, the runners are also coming off this, but because these are perpetual fruiting, I'm not going to take these runners off yet. If we look here, here's a runner coming off the main plant. That would be a cutting, but we see it's actually ever bearing fruit. So it's starting to produce fruit on the runners as well. It'll continue. I've had these produced up to like 6 cuttings on one runner, and each one has produced fruit as they've gone on. So each one of these will, you can see, tiny little ones here, and they're actually starting to produce flower. So every runner that we get, we will get fruit off it. So these are ever bearing, and they'll continue going through virtually till Christmas. So I'm not taking cuttings off these yet. This will be an autumn one that I'll take cuttings from. We are going to show how to take cuttings off the ones that I've had in the greenhouse.